Hello dear Eddie, and hello to all friends of the Fast Tip. Eddie messaged me yesterday because, while working on his ebony and ivory rod kit, he noticed that the tubing for the Solitip is slightly too thick. It's already the thinnest tubing available at 1.6 millimeters, but the Solitips themselves measure just under 1 millimeter in diameter. But that's not a problem at all. I promised Eddie I'd make a short video showing how I've been handling this for years, how I attach the tip ring, and it's really simple. I'll demonstrate using yellow thread so it's easier to see. Start by making a cross wrap at the end of the tip and continue wrapping toward the back. I'll stay in frame with the camera so you can follow along. Then, at the front, create a loose wrap to let the glue flow through nicely. Next, form a small buildup of thread at both ends. I tested briefly, just a little bit of thread in the gaps is enough for the epoxy to settle in and cure, making sure the tip ring stays firmly in place. One big advantage, the tip ring fits snugly and sits neatly centered on the blank. Another benefit, I'm now switching from the yellow demo thread to the actual thread I'll be using for the decorative and guide wraps. That saves an extra step.
Und macht hier im Anschluss auch gleich die Zierwicklung. Schlaufe einlegen. Also wie man eine Wicklung macht, ich meine, das glaube ich weiß so ziemlich jeder.
Next up is the decorative wrap. I insert the loop and start wrapping. Most of you probably know how this works. I have to work around the camera a bit, not my usual setup, but you'll get the idea. Then I trim the thread with a sharp blade. It's not the cleanest wrap ever, but it does the job for this demonstration. But that's not a problem at all. I promised Eddie I'd make a short video showing how I've been handling this for years, how I attach the tip ring, and it's really simple. Now, coat everything with epoxy, or as Frank would say, grease it up. Slide the tip ring on, add a bit more epoxy over it, and wipe everything down with a kitchen towel. If you warm the epoxy slightly beforehand, it becomes more fluid and soaks in better. Just wipe it off enough so that the thread remains visible, and just like that, your first finish layer is already in place. So, that was another quick rod building tip from me. I wish you all the best with your builds, and as we like to say, tight lines and goodbye.